If you cough today, this video is for you. Burning chest in the morning, scratchy throat by evening, kids coughing, elders wheezing. This isn't seasonal flu, this is pollution filling the lungs of Mumbai. Doctors are warning asthma cases rising, bronchitis increasing, lungs taking silent damage. The scary part, we've started calling coughing normal. If you cough today, subscribe to our YouTube channel because your lungs deserve awareness.